vagina. From where? Vaginal branch from uterine artery. Vaginal branch from directly internal iliac. Do you remember the one which we said it depends. If it's male, it will be inferior vesical. If it's female, it will be vaginal artery. Then we have vaginal branch from internal pedental. Vaginal branch from also common iliac. All of them, they are branches, not common iliac, internal iliac. All of them, they are forming one single artery, which we called it vaginal azygous artery. It's very important to see this diagram. This one. It's really so much important. This one. So again, vagina, it's supplied by actually one single artery. We called it vaginal azygous artery. But what it's this one single artery, it was like anastomosis between multiple branches. How? It takes vaginal branch from uterine, vaginal branch directly from internal iliac, vaginal from middle rectal artery, vaginal from internal pedental artery. So all of them unite to form vaginal azygous artery. That's why in thorax even, while you are talking about this azygous vein and the superior hemazygous and the inferior azygous and something like this, he can stop you suddenly and they say, okay, you are talking about the zygous veins. Do you have a zygous artery? So because still your mind stuck with the thorax, you can say no. But actually, yes, we do. Where in females, in the vagina, by what's called vaginal azygous artery. Okay, what will be the blood supply of the cervix? Also by uterine artery. We have branches from the uterine artery itself, like this. This uterine artery, it gives cervical branches and it gives a vaginal branch. So this uterine artery, which anastomose with ovarian artery in the area of mesovarium and mesosalpinx, they are like the blood supply of the uterus and cervix and vagina. But what about the fallopian tube? Uterine tube itself will be supplied by what? The lateral 1/3, it will be by ovarian artery. But the medial 2/3, it will be by uterine artery. So it's like taking from both. It takes from uterine and also from ovarian artery. But here, all of them, they are from uterine artery. Is it clear?
And the peritoneal relationships of the vagina?
Of the vagina itself. Vagina, it's completely intra-peritoneal structure, except, of course, the vaginal orifice itself, the opening. It's okay, so anteriorly here, it will be like related to this pouch even, this which we called it uterovesical pouch, and here we have what's called Douglas pouch. These are considered the peritoneum which comes from the abdomen. But what about the peritoneal lining, the uterus itself, which is broad ligament? Now broad ligament, it's not related also to the vagina, but forming here like a cavity. We call them fornix. Do you remember lateral fornices? And we have anterior and posterior fornix. And we always say even the posterior fornix, it's much deeper. Why? Because the anterior wall of the vagina, it's shorter than the posterior wall of the vagina. Anterior, why? Because also the anteverted and anteflexed position of the uterus. So that's why it's like pushing the uterus anteriorly, so it makes the posterior wall is much longer than the anterior. Okay? Is it clear? Okay.
There's just topography, but I don't know.
Topography, which means location. Any topography, which means location. Find out where is the location. Relations. Anteriorly, we have the bladder and the urethra. Posteriorly, we have the Douglas pouch and bulla of rectum and perineal body. On each side, what you have of the vagina, on each side, we have the sphincter vaginae muscle, which is formed by levator ani muscle, the most anterior fibers of pubococcygeus. They are running on each side of the vagina. Okay? So this will be like relations. You are talking about only relations. Cervix is the same. Relations of cervix, say anteriorly here we have the bladder and the pouch. Posteriorly here we have this which is Douglas pouch and the posterior wall of the vagina, especially the posterior fornix itself. Okay, let's do, yes, can you open it please?